Hey y'all, Garrett Brill down here in Texas. Right now I'm flying the new DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2. And there's a new feature on there I kind of wanted to show everybody. It has application for everybody. Of course, my particular interest is in public safety. And so for search and rescue, this is going to be a great feature. I can already tell you that I want to beg DJI to put this on the M210. I've already activated it in here, but if you go into the autonomous or the F modes, that's the draw feature. So you hit draw, and then what you'll see is this green little circle with the aircraft symbol in it. And let's just say, for instance, in this case, I wanted to go fly along this lakefront shoreline here, just around this corner of this little peninsula, and I wanted to look down in the shallow waters, but I want to control the aircraft and the camera and not have to worry so much about the flying. I want to focus on the looking, and I want to focus on the camera. So now what I can do is activate this, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw my finger up this canal here and around this peninsula over the water, and this thing will automatically generate an autonomous flight. So watch this. Okay, you can see it generated a flight right along wherever I drew my finger. So you can see that up there, right? So all I have to do now is I'm going to set this to free. See the free mode? Yep. And then I'm going to set it to 7.2 miles an hour. And that way the free will allow me to maneuver the aircraft. If you just keep it in forward, it just flies straight forward like an airplane. So I'm going to tell this thing to go. Alright, so now you can see it's flying that path, and I'm going to look down as if I'm actually looking for somebody. I'm not, but if I was looking for somebody. And what I can do is, let's say I would want to see something on the left, I can maneuver the aircraft to the left and look down in here for anything I might want to see. At the same time, I can look up and keep the aircraft within line of sight, no problem, but it's moving. It's only, I can see that there's something right there. If this is a real search and rescue, I'd be curious about that. So we're going along here, and the aircraft's doing all the flying, and we're just doing all the looking. Again, if I want to maneuver the aircraft or the gimbal, if I wanted to look up or down, I can do that. The aircraft's just flying around this peninsula just like I told it to. And there we go. So as you can see, you could plan this to fly in pretty much any route, any kind of a grid or whatever you need it to do. So anyway, thought I would share. Maybe I'll just have this thing fly back the same way. So I'm gonna have it, let's try this. Let's see how it works here. So I'm gonna have this thing go and fly. See how that works. And there it goes. Same route. I've got free, and tell it to go. And there we go. Flying along that route. I'm going to go ahead and go over to the side. The aircraft will keep flying along that route. to this side if I wanted to. If I want to know where I'm going along that route, I can always, there's my virtual waypoint in the sky. So there we go. Anyway, pretty cool stuff. As everybody else gets to start using this, I can see a lot of people having accomplishing a lot of tasks they couldn't do before with this. Talk to y'all later.